You know, when we first thought about how I was going to set this, this canopy up, well, I needed something that was easy and convenient. So my first go-to was the Clearview Pantry. Now, we've coupled the Clearview Pantry with the Clearview Power Slide, and if you have a look, how convenient is that? Now, this thing holds so much gear, like literally. So it's made of aluminium and stainless steel. Now, the aluminium is powder coated, and the stainless steel, well, it's just shiny. Now, I don't know about you, but we're always looking for a space-saving device. Now, this thing, it's almost like a transformer. It just keeps on expanding. That's the beauty of the Clearview Pantry. Now, where's all your storage? Well, the storage is in here. This is the pantry part of it. Now, I've got bowls in here. I've got plates in here. There'll be food in here. There's my coffee making in here. You can even store a cooker in here. Now, the beauty of the Clearview Pantry is it just keeps folding out. There's even somewhere to do the dishes when you finish cooking. So when you're looking for a space-saving device, whether it's in a canopy like this setup or a wagon type setup as well. Now, I put one in the back of my 300. That was pretty cool. That worked perfectly. You're sitting on the side of the road, you want a quick feed, make up a quick sandwich, you know, have a cup of coffee like Simon does every 5 minutes. Mate, get yourself one of these. Clearview Pantry transforms your space into something you can use. Anyway, don't take my word for it. Clearview Pantry, go and check them out.